Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can select or move an object behind another object in Canva. So for example, I have this text and there is a circle shape behind it which I really want to remove, but I couldn't do it because I couldn't select the object. So this text is in the way and it's blocking the object behind it. And the natural way people solve this problem is by moving the text, and then finally you can access the circle, and then you could move it around, or you could also just remove it, and then you have to move the text to the original position, which can be messy, and this is not the most efficient way to do it. So instead, there are some other alternatives you can try without messing your whole design in Canva. So the first method is by using a lock feature. I'm going to select this text and I'm going to lock it. It will lock the position, and I'm going to lock the text again. Will prevent the text from being modified. And finally, this text is immovable. You cannot do anything about it, but the object behind it can be selected. So I'm going to select the object like this using cursor. And finally, I can move it around. I can also remove it. So that was the first method. The second method is probably less sophisticated, but it is an option if you are interested. So the way I do it is I usually just I will duplicate the object that is located on the top, and I'm going to drag it to the bottom. Make sure it is aligned perfectly with the original object. And here I could just change the size, or I can change the size. It's okay. And finally, I have some area which I can click to select this object, and then I could remove it. And to make sure that I'm going to get the original shape of this text box, I could just follow the guideline based on the duplicate that I just created. The result is more or less the same. So yeah, that's basically the two alternatives you can try to select an object behind another object in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful.